Hello everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let you know one of our videos is got little fireworks on it. Haven't had in a while, which I thought, wow, this YouTube channel could be dead, but we've been tweaking it and putting up stuff that people like. Thanks for watching. All right, so let's go on over to the news. First one. I find this here. I gotta tell you a joke. What's the difference between conspiracy theory and truth? 9 months. Alright, going back to the story. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. UK's warning to Bitcoin and crypto ATM owners. Okay, so this is from btctimes.com. Now, I don't know if you've heard about this. ATMs are now illegal all across the UK, all because of this one story. I'll put this in the description. And it's something to do with some company. I got two, like within a 50-minute walk in my neighborhood, of my house, and I will tell you, both charge at least 6% transaction fees to do cash or to BTC or whatever crypto you want. So they're expensive. It's better just to stay on top of exchanges like Binance if you can get onto it. Again, Binance.com. All right, so I find why I bring up the conspiracy is simple. We have this other article here. Again, btctimes.com. EU may be closing the door on Bitcoin crypto. Now, this was out a few days ago, on the 13th. Just in case you didn't know, the EU wanted to propose some kind of ban on proof of work cryptos that would have virtually pretty well banned potentially banned Bitcoin and Ethereum in EU. People, there was a huge backlash. There was 24 votes, and something like only 3 were voted on, and the rest were abstained, meaning they didn't want to be on public record to support this kind of move. As well, it was just a bunch of politicians out of Germany that want it, apparently, from what I read. So it's been defeated. But what I find, the timing of this is just bizarre. Within a few weeks. That's why I do the conspiracy thing, because we have UK warning on ATM, again, to scare people. And then we have this. I think it's the other way around. I think the governments, the regulators in both EU, Britain, namely in Canada as well, you know about that. In the US, they're also, what was it, 2 weeks ago, with Biden bringing out his executive order on crypto and should we or shouldn't we regulate crypto. And I just find the timing just in such a short span of time on why these are coming out. So the question is there a conspiracy thing here to take down all things crypto? Because when you look at the US debt, they are losing control over the whole thing. They got inflation kicking in. They have another plan called the we'll just say the Davos group, and I'm sure you know about that, the great, you know what, you'll be happy and blah blah blah. And who knows where it's going to go. They're really trying to take out crypto. That's what I see. And there are other options out there. I put out many videos on it, and namely in the private domain. We'll just leave that off of YouTube, because our overlords, we need to be nice to them and play nice. All right, so over here, if you are interested in learning more about the other side of things, as they say, quantlabs.net/contact, get on an email list. I'll email you on that. I'll also put in a link in there to hey, did you know we have a private chat server? No censorship, nobody owns it, nobody tracks it, nothing. So it's our own little private thing, as well as the Telegram news channel as well. I'll send you the links on that, and those get automatically sent out when you join, as well as you get some free PDFs here. quantlabs.net/contact for that. And again, these are the articles here. UK warning to Bitcoin and crypto ATM owners on BTC Times. Same website. EU may be closing the door on Bitcoin and crypto. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you subscribe and like this stuff to get it blown up so other people can see it. Spread the word.